Egypt Study Guide. Directions. Use the chapter summary and any other resources that we have completed in class to complete the questions below. Vocabulary. Be sure to identify the meaning or importance of the following words: hieroglyphics, savannah, shadoof, theocracy, delta, and dynasty. Part 2 directions. Answer the following questions using your summary and other class materials. Your goal should be to answer the questions as completely as possible, being detailed. To help you prepare for your Friday's test, use the boxes in yellow to record your answers. Number 1. What role did geography, especially deserts and the Nile River, play in Egypt's history and economy? And type your answer in the yellow text box here. Number 2. Describe the Egyptian writing system. What was this system called? And type your answer in the yellow text box here. Number 3. What were the key features of the Egyptian religion? How did they view the afterlife and the process of getting there? And type your response in the yellow text box. Number 4. What skills are demonstrated in the building of massive structures such as pyramids and other large temples or tombs? And type your answer in the yellow text box. Number 5. What are the important features of Queen Hatshepsut's rule of ancient Egypt? And type your answer in the yellow text box. Number 6. In the 1600s, what culture was able to conquer Egypt, causing the Second Intermediate Period? And type your answer in the yellow box here. Number 7. What are the major accomplishments of King Tutankhamun, aka King Tut? And type your answer in the yellow text box. Number 8. The Battle of Kadesh marked the first time what took place in history? And type your answer in the yellow text box here. Number 9. Describe the geography of the Kingdom of Kush. And type your answer in the yellow text box here. And number 10. What was the important skill the Kush developed? And type your answer in the yellow text box here. Be sure to look back at your notes and the chapter summary to help you answer these questions.